Okay, here he is. So he said it's not a crocodile. Man, that's such a interesting animal. So they gave me the Thai word for that animal. I've never seen anything like it before. Yeah, it swims like a... Man. Look at that. Actually, it has like a... Yeah, what is that? Let's see if I can get over there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're at Lanai Beach, and basically I just want to like show what this area looks like a little bit. You've got ocean, you have the beach, and then you have kind of a mountain over here. Yeah, this little thing right here. And then also I'm just gonna go over here and just kind of take a look at this walkway, and just kind of zoom in on some of the stuff. Kind of cool looking bird. But I like this right here. Let's kind of examine it a little bit. So you have like this is a road right here that goes through Lanai. Then you have a walkway that connects all these houses right here, I think. Let's just take a look. And then you have this kind of mountain that goes up to that space. And this is kind of the emblem of this part of the beach. You can sit right there if you wanted to. And I'm just gonna zoom in on some of this right here. It's pretty cool, really cool looking house. It's like a Queenslander kind of house in Australia, or something you might see in Hawaii. Let's see if that'll focus a little bit. Sand Sea. All right. So this is Lanai Beach. What is this animal? So we're just gonna see what that is. It's like, I don't know if it's an otter. Let's just watch what it does. It's gonna hit the... Let's see. You know, is that what animal is that?
Yeah.
What animal is that? Animal right there. You see it?
Not crocodile. There is for small, for the red one, I don't know. For the English, in this one, in Thai, takwat.
Takwat?
Takwat.
Takwat?
Takwat in Thai. There is a small crocodile.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.